Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my PM analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold definitely did push down pretty strong today, as you can see. Definitely looks like a wave one, wave two, and we're still in a wave three, which potentially may not be over. Now, this is definitely not just an ABC that is just going to turn back up. I can pretty much guarantee that. And if we go to the higher time frames, we could potentially be at the end of a wave three. We definitely did bounce out to 178. Now, it's way too early to know for sure that this is the end of a wave three, but we are definitely looking for the end of a wave three at some point. Definitely doesn't have to happen now. More than likely, what's going to happen on the sort of time frames is it's probably going to make a correction to the whole last five waves up. So this is only a wave A of that correction. Eventually, it's probably going to have to make some sort of a wave B and then eventually a wave C, maybe making some sort of a very overlapping corrective pattern over the course of the next week or two down to one of these Fibonacci levels. Now, if it's not the end of a wave three, if it really is the end of a wave three, then it's going to maintain momentum to the downside. It's going to be very impulsive and it's eventually going to end up breaking the structure right here. So we're definitely going to have to pay attention to structure on these sort of time frames to try to determine whether we really do have the end of a wave three on the higher time frames or not. I personally wouldn't count on it. I would definitely be looking at it as a possible ABC correction. But now that we have a breakdown, I would be recommending shorts. Hopefully, you can learn and earn at the same time, whether it's an ABC or whether it's a complete trend reversal while you're looking for shorts. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.